What I'm going to present today are some data points about how consumers feel about ads and why we think there's such an opportunity for ad-supported content in TV, but in other categories of entertainment and other categories of content as well. So just to set the stage a little bit, the video space and especially the subscription space for video is more crowded than it's ever been. So what we're looking at here is a graph that shows the number of paid subscriptions that people use per person. Throughout 2018 and 2019, the number of sources per person were already growing pretty rapidly, but COVID really just put the pedal to the metal on that. So a lot more content, a lot more providers being put into a person's finite pool of disposable time. 2/3 almost of people today are using 2 or more of the biggest SVODs. 10% of people are using all 5 of them, and more than 1/4 of people are using either 4 or 5. And the impact of this is huge because any one of those platforms has hundreds, if not thousands of titles, and conceivably could fill up all the time that any one person has to watch TV. But now the average consumer is using 2, 3, 4, or even 5 of those. One of the conventional wisdoms up until now has been that people don't want to watch ads and that skipping ads plays a huge part in which platforms that they use. When we ask people though, why did you sign up for a new platform? In this case, one that they said they'd added in the last 6 months. We asked, what were the main reasons that you signed up for that? And to avoid ads is a major reason, but it is not the most important reason. And in fact, it's pretty far from it. And so that takes us to how do viewers feel about ads in general?
Don't you hate it when a really good video gets cut off? Kind of like watching basic cable. But don't worry, you can check out this video and tons of other SubSummit sessions right now. Check out the link below to view more.